In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your chart to the default settings on TradingView. Whether you're experimenting with new chart styles or you've accidentally changed something and want to start fresh, resetting your chart can be a quick and straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you can get back to the basics without any hassle. First, you want to navigate to your TradingView platform. Make sure you're on the specific chart that you want to reset. It's important to note that resetting will remove any customizations you've applied, such as indicators, annotations, or color changes. So if there are any modifications you want to keep, consider saving them as a template before proceeding. Once you're on your chart, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This icon is your gateway to customizing your chart's appearance and settings. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. After clicking the settings icon, a drop-down menu should appear, offering various options for your chart. What you want to do next is locate the template drop-down menu. This is typically found towards the bottom left of the settings panel. The template menu allows you to apply predefined configurations to your chart, including the default settings. Now, click on the template drop-down and a list of available templates will be shown. Scroll through this list until you find the option labeled Apply Defaults. This is the option that will revert your chart back to its default state, wiping any customizations clean. Select Apply Defaults to proceed with the reset. Once you've clicked on Apply Defaults, a confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This is a safeguard to ensure that you don't accidentally lose any work you might want to keep. If you're certain you want to reset, go ahead and click OK to confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your chart should now be back to its original default settings. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to start with a clean slate or if you've made changes that you don't remember how to undo. Remember, you can always reapply your saved templates or make new customizations after resetting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on navigating TradingView and enhancing your trading experience. Until next time, happy trading!